GM, everybody, Monday, the 11th of November. Welcome back to the channel. And Bitcoin is on fire. We are at $82,273 at the time of recording. Very strong weekend. We saw a big push for Ethereum on Saturday. Bitcoin followed through on the Sunday, and yes, just a fantastic performance from both of these tokens over the last few days. We got Solana as well at 216 today, so everything's starting to pick up here. And if we just go over to the weekly chart, we can see here that obviously we finished the week really strong. We actually closed the week above 80,000 on Bitcoin. So everything's looking good. Obviously, this market is not hanging around. We're seeing another strong move today, 2,000 up nearly for the day so far. And obviously, we are well on our way to our targets. A reminder of those: 88,700 to 92,000 is where I'm expecting Bitcoin to probably find its next resistance, and potentially we might get a pullback from that zone. But for now, I think, look, if you're in this market and you're long, you want to hold those positions. If you are currently underexposed or not in the market, really you're hoping for some sort of pullback to be able to enter. And really, I think you'd want to see, I guess, maybe a pullback to the middle of last week's candle. So potentially coming in around sort of 78, 79,000, I think would be decent levels to look to bid, because I just don't see, I don't see us as making a sort of deeper pullback for now. Of course, it could happen, and these might be famous last words if we start to reverse here and pull back down. But certainly, I think if you are on the sidelines, you probably want to layer bids in from around about 79 down to 73,000. I think would be the best strategy to look to get a position. Otherwise, yeah, you probably want to look for opportunities in other coins, other tokens outside of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is already well on its way in terms of this move and this breakout towards its target. Obviously, we're about 50% there already, or just over 50% now, to around the 90,000 level. So things are looking really strong on Bitcoin. And just taking a look at Ethereum, like I say, we saw the big push on Saturday, breaking above 3,100. Obviously, we're starting to consolidate now, which after this sort of extension is quite normal. Ethereum's been on a sort of a mega move over the last week, up about 33%. So that's a big move for Ethereum. Obviously, remember, this is one of the largest, well, the second largest crypto by market cap. So that is definitely some big move, and obviously some very big buying coming into Ethereum. So Ethereum's also looking strong. We can look at Solana. Solana new cycle highs and looking really strong for a move up towards the 246 level, which we previously spoke about. So yeah, I think at this point, like I say, if you're long, great. If you're not, then you're looking for some sort of pullback into I want to say support, like new support. But I don't know whether we will definitely get retests. I mean, for me, Bitcoin looks like it doesn't want to put the brakes on anytime soon. So I fully expect continuation from now over the next few weeks. And like I say, I think if we do get pullbacks, they'll be fairly shallow. They'll probably be very fast. There'll probably be some sort of liquidation hunts, stop hunts to actually take out some over leveraged longs, and then the market will probably push on higher from there until we get to some slightly higher prices. So yeah, that is the majors for you. Obviously, we got the DXY back open again today. So DXY is now making highs based on the last couple of months from this up move. So yeah, I mean, at the moment, that doesn't seem to be affecting our crypto bags at all. So that is all fine for now. Obviously, if we really look to explode, that might have some sort of impact. But for now, the fact that the dollar's rallying and Bitcoin's rallying together, I think that's a really strong sign, because it just tells me that eventually, when the dollar does roll over, then that will be even more of a boost for crypto. So yes, that looks fine to me at the moment. If we look at the Nasdaq, we can see up again today, 0.47% on all-time highs. S&P 500 in a very similar position. So everything is looking poised. Everything is moving higher. The market looks really strong here. And all I say is I wouldn't want to fade this. I wouldn't want to get in the way of this. Certainly, if you're somebody that's thinking, oh, this is very expensive now, it has to come down. Well, it just doesn't. That's just not how markets work. Okay. We're now in price discovery. There's no real resistance. We are watching price discovery in real time as the market tries to seek where value lies. And I think personally, Bitcoin will go higher over the next few weeks, and probably higher into next year and during next year as well. I think overall cycle targets of in excess of 100,000 are definitely looking more and more realistic at the moment, based on how the market's currently looking and the strength of this breakout. So yeah, those are my thoughts. I'm going to sort of leave it there for the GM stream today. I will be making some further videos this week around meme coins. So obviously a couple of videos got uploaded over the weekend around meme coins. Please go and check those out if you haven't done so already, because some of the picks in those videos are already really starting to take off, and I would hate for you to miss out on getting those entries and those gains from those coins, because I think we're just at the start of what will be some very, very big moves for some of those meme tokens. So check those videos out for the picks, and have a great day. I'll be back with you again tomorrow. And yeah, trade well. GM.